Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with...
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Maybe it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me.
Hi guys, nasa GIG Mall na ako with Orange. So, attend kami ng debut na isang friend namin. So, pagpunta ko pa lang, ang dami nang nangyari. Ayan o. Like, nadumihan. Wait. Diba? Pag minamalas ka talaga, uy, wala sa... Hi guys! Hindi na ako nakapag-get ready with me. Hindi na ako nakapag-get ready with me kanina, whatsoever. Kasi na-pressure ako dito sa isang tulong.
Uy, hindi ako na-pressure ha.
Na-pressure lang ako. Kasi baka mamaya bigla silang umalis. Sumabay ako sa fam niya.
Late na nga ako umalis para sa'yo. Kaya ganyan yung hama.
Thank you nga pala sa blazer ni Oren. Hi guys, take over. Take over daw. Ano kasi, ASMR. Ganda mo dyan, kagagalaw.
Pero lahat ng
Ayaw ko sa schedule.
gumagawa sila ng 10 PM daw yung Mark F1.
Weh? May take ba kayo?
Ano pwede pa?
Ano ba kayo?
Kasi ganyan.
Nagsisilbihan niya ako.
Saan mo lo? Nakalagay na NST.
Ang screen na yan! Wait lang, Gabsa.
Gusto ko ng civil well. Public service.
Okay guys, so apparently, sadly, naiwan ko yung gift ko sa bahay, kaya pinalamove ko na lang. And I'm about to pick it up na right now. Guys, oh my gosh, I like my look talaga today. Like, I feel so fresh. Fresh lang, cleaner lang. Guys, gift secured na, I got it na. Dumating na yung Lalamove rider. Actually, ang tagal na kasi medyo mahal yung cost. But anyway, yun, narinig nyo naman, to start ko sila. Try ko na lang mag-film kahit paano.
Let's give a round of applause to Miss Hannah A. Morales.
You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know that you'll save me. You'll be my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart bounce 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me, butterfly feeling.
Hi guys! Mag-ASMR kami habang nag-18 roses. Hindi siya sponsored. Huwag yung mabanggit na.
Ano?
Sword! ASMR.
Go, Emil. Ayusin mo yan.
Loud but actually kind.
Ano ba to?
Ano ba yan? May new character sa vlog ko. Pakilala ka. New character, guys. Ngayon ka lang nila makikita sa vlog.
Pangalan ko daw.
Te. Annie. Eh. Ikaw mo nga eh.
For Hannah's as he is a long-time churchman of Hannah. She is
Tapos na agad yung appetizer natin.
Was the sweetest and
Scripted! Wala kasing tripod.
And you yourself know, kung anong klaseng life mo ngayon kita.
So, mag-photo op na kami. Tapos na yung first part ng program. Narinig ka ba dyan? Yeah. Pero meron kang mic. Oo, nasa part na. Siyempre, next our break ang mga princess. Princess! Wala na. Let's go. Gusto mo na ba? Gusto mo na ba? Ako mag-photo po ako mag-isa.
Rush of adrenaline in your kiss. Tethered up together, we could go the distance. Yeah, this atmospheric pressure's something. When you pull me in, you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe. I know you'll be my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms, your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, soar as my heart pounds 10,000 feet. But you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me. Be my parachute, be my parachute, be my parachute. I know you got me.
Guys, I don't know if if maganda yung lighting right now kasi medyo nasa likod ko ng sun. Pero I'm on my way na to meet Fort kasi graduation day niya na today. So, ano ba yan? Ang ingay, wait nga! Kailan?
Sabihin ko ba yun? Isang ikot lang yun eh.
Nasa market kami. Umiikot lang right now kasi maaga pa. Ayun o.
Hi, bro.
Nag-graduate na siya today. Pag ganyan yung sal, ganyan.
Okay.
Siyempre guys, hindi mo mawala titingin siya ng sapatos.
Antak.
Sapatos na naman. Waiting game na lang. Para
Guys, ako din.
makapasok.
Okay.
Pogi. Pogi. Pogi.
Saan ako?
And determination that defines the Treston experience. To begin this momentous event, we would like to call on our academic director, Ms. Maria Carolina C. Abanil.
Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics track.
Thank you, Ms. Abanil.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Ms. Abanil.
Did I become a better person in this relationship or friendship? Did I contribute meaningfully to make my friend a better person? The hallmark of a beautiful and meaningful relationship is mutual growth and development. Mentally, develop mental agility and strength.
Of reminding me the value of human connection and the comfort in knowing there are people willing to pause their own lives to stand by me. These experiences have shaped me into someone who understands the
so hard for me. Let go. Hey, what's going on for the rest of the
Guys, life update. Di na ako nakapag-update kanina. Alam mo ba, hindi ako makapagsalita kanina. Nakakahiya kasi puro oldies yung nakapalibot sa amin ni Pao. Kaya quiet lang ako. Ayun, dito kami sa market. Hinihintay namin si Kels at si Pao. Para sumabay pa uwi. Tapos kakain kami ng pork.
Tired of niggas not doing it right. Rest of the nights to the rest of your life. I know you heard me, I ain't gon' say it twice. Too much.
Pao, ang ganda!
What they gonna say now, bro?
Balik na kami ng LP. Doon na lang kami mag-dinner and likot. What? Ano daw? Libot.
Naglilikot.
Kasi ang daming tao here. Dami ng cam.
I know the game go, this I can't deny. So fuck is you playing for? Cause you know that I ain't playing right now. Just one.
Church sa natin ko.
Meron ako ng lower. Dahil dito sa kunitan ngayon. Masterpiece ko yan, guys. Hey guys,
Ambot sa imo.
sasara na yung mall. Pero nakapagpalit na ako ng tempered ko. After how many months. Kaso out of stock yung sa Apple mismo. Yan sana yung gusto ko. So haggard na. I'm so tired. Pero hindi pa kami uwi. Kain kami somewhere.